Hey, I want to go over something with you, and that is late payments. I've been getting a lot of DMs lately about how banks are charging annual fees and they didn't know about it. And because they didn't know about the annual fee, they didn't pay the bill, and therefore it ruined their credit. In fact, I got one a few minutes ago. The guy says I was at a 770, and this morning I woke up and I'm in the low 600s, all over a $5.84 payment. Here's the facts. Whether it is a $5 payment or a $5 million payment, if you don't pay your bills on time, they're gonna report you late. That's just how it is. Think about it this way. If you were married and you got caught cheating, now you didn't have sex with the person, but you were making out, maybe you got a blowjob. Is your wife gonna care? No. The fact is you were cheating. Doesn't matter if you didn't have sex and you just got a blowjob, or maybe you were just making out, it still counts in the eyes of your wife, right? It's still cheating. So if it's $5 payment versus a $50 payment or $5 million payment that's due, if you don't pay your bills on time, they're gonna report you late. Good news is there's somebody like me out there that can help you. So if you got bad credit because you forgot to pay your bills, I can help you with it. As far as cheating on your wife, can't really do anything for you with that. So reach out to me if you need help with your credit. Have a good day.